Every countertop in here, be sure to look all over, all of my countertops. Massive team effort here. Every single office is different. We made it incredibly unique. We've got blues and purples. This couldn't have been done by any other company except for Countertops. That was costly.
We're here with Omnia Healthcare, Women's Healthcare. I'm here with Anjali, Aaron, and Lori. So this is it's a really big office. There are 12 patient rooms in here. So this project took up a lot of space in our warehouse. But during the building process, you guys came into our warehouse and looked at a lot of different sample boards. And then we brought more sample boards out here for you to look at.
Yep.
Who made the decisions on the color palettes?
Oh, it was a joint effort for sure, which was a little hard sometimes. The countertops that were in here, we didn't really care for those, and so then we were trying to decide if we wanted to do just the standard like marble or granite or what have you, and then we came across your webpage, and it was like, oh, if we do this, then we can have it more unique to us and our colors and all of that, and so that was kind of how it happened.
So it was really the customization.
Exactly.
That pulled you into this opportunity.
Yeah.
Versus going to a brand yard and having to choose from what's available.
Right, and then have it like the standard same thing you see in every, every medical clinic or every house or whatever. We wanted it to be different and unique. You will never see this anywhere else. Yeah,
So
exactly. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What I know is that it started off just a couple of countertops, and then it transitioned into the backsplashes, and then the backsplashes all the way around, and we added some waterfall edges.
Right.
So there was a lot of growth in this project. We're just really happy that we're able to work with you through this.
Right.
So.
And thank you for all the special touches too, like this.
So this is the last thing that we did for them at our office.
And it just blows my mind. It's so beautiful. Like